Hello everyone, and here you can see the nest of scaly breasted munia. So this is a nest built by scaly breasted munia bird, which is a very nice bird. You can see how the architecture of the nest is. It is built with the help of grass, green grass, which has now turned into brownish color, and this is a really very nice nest made by scaly breasted munia bird. Excellent architecture by this scaly breasted munia bird. Very nice one, excellent one. Do like and subscribe on Traveler Pradnesh. Keep watching.